Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can remove object from your video using CapCut PC. Alright, so for example, I already have one video here and I'm going to remove the banana in the video. So first, just duplicate the video and put on the right. So for the duplicate video, just go to mask, or for easy way, you are just going to click the crop and select the sample from background video and just click confirm. So move up, make it as an overlay, and you can adjust for the scale until you cover up the object. Okay, so that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.